Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you Lewis dot and cross structure of ionic compound. Look at the board. Yep, this we are doing. In my previous video, I've already explained how ionic compound is formed, how ionic bond is formed, and the factors which are favorable. Sorry, the factor which favor the formation of an ionic compound we have discussed already, and I showed you how to write the chemical formula of an ionic compound. Let's focus on dot and cross structure of an ionic compound. Let's start the basic one, like draw the dot and cross structure of easy one, NaCl. Draw dot and cross structure of NaCl, sodium chloride. You want to try it? Sodium Na. When you are drawing a dot and cross structure of an ionic compound, just focus on the outer shell electron. The outer shell electron is also called as valence electron. Look at that. Sodium is in group 1. It has one extra electron in the outer shell. Chlorine belongs from group 7, and it has 7 electron in the outer shell. Look at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sodium, being a metal, it's easy to give away the electron for sodium because it is a metal. The primary tendency of the metal is to lose the electron. So it gives away the electron to chlorine, so that the chlorine gain 1 electron, and after gaining 1 electron, it has 8 electron in the outer shell. So this is the first step of drawing Lewis dot and cross structure. So sodium become Na plus ion. I told you that's called cation. And a chlorine, we are just focusing on the outer shell electron. And a chlorine gain 1 electron from sodium. This is chlorine. 1, 2. If you draw cross with the sodium and you have to draw dot with the chlorine, there's no rule that you have to always focus like cross for sodium and a dot for non-metal. We can use any notation. You can use dot for the sodium. Dot represent an electron, and cross represent also an electron of different elements. So 2 dots here. Dot of this is the dot. 2 dot of the chlorine. 2 electron of this chlorine. 2 this chlorine. 2. 1 is already there, and 1 gain from sodium. It becomes 1 minus. So this way we can draw a dot and cross structure of an ionic compound. Let's do some more example of Lewis dot and cross structure. Okay, I will give you one more example. Now we have taken sodium from the group 1 metal and non-metal from group 7 elements. Now I want to fix the group 1 metal, and I want to try with different non-metals from group 5, group 6. We try from group 7. Now see, sodium oxide, and I showed you how to write the formula of sodium oxide, Na2O. Sodium has 1 electron in the outer shell, so we need to draw 2 sodium Na, 1 electron, 1 more sodium Na, it has 1 electron, and both donate one electron each to oxygen. Oxygen has how many electrons in the outer shell? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gain 1 electron from this sodium, gain 1 more electron from that sodium. After that, sodium become Na plus, Na plus. How many sodium do we have? 2 sodium. And oxygen is in the ion form. Whenever we have ions, you have to draw in the square bracket. So oxygen gain one electron from this electron from sodium and a dot, this electron from sodium and a dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the purpose of making ionic bond, guys. What's the reason for making ionic bond? To gain 8 electron in the valence shell. Look, how many electron? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What about sodium? Sodium, sodium has 11. Na 11. How can we write the electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. This 3s1, that will donate by each sodium. It gives away. Sodium gives away that 3s1 to get 8 electron in the outer shell. That's the main reason why they make bonds. So sodium, after losing 1 electron, it has 8 electron in the outer shell. Okay, can we try one more example? Okay, so we did sodium chloride, sodium oxide, and sodium nitride. You want to try the sodium nitride? Let's try it. Keep that sodium from the group 1, and I'm taking non-metal from group 5, group 6, and group 7. Now, sodium nitride. What is the formula of sodium nitride, guys? Anyone? Sodium is from group 1 and a nitrogen is from group 5. I showed you in my previous video. Na lost 1 electron, so it become Na plus, and nitrogen gain 3 electron, it become N3 minus. First we will write down the formula of sodium nitride. Na plus, because it lost 1 electron. Nitrogen gain 3 electron to get 8 electron in its valence shell. So move 3 to this side and to this 1 to this side. So the formula of sodium nitride is Na3N. So we need 3 sodium and 1 nitrogen. So dot and cross structure of sodium nitride: sodium 3 sodium, 1 sodium, Na, it has 1 electron, 2 sodium, Na, second sodium, my bad, and 1 more sodium we need it. All 3 donate 1 electron to nitrogen, and the nitrogen gain 3 electron. Nitrogen has how many electron in the valence shell? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 from this sodium, 1 from this sodium, 1 from this sodium. So sodium become Na plus, cation. After losing 1 electron, Na1 plus. Nitrogen gain 3 electron. Nitrogen form anion. So 1 dot and a cross represent an electron donated by sodium. Dot and a cross from 1 more electron from another sodium. Dot and a cross nitrogen, 2 electron from this nitrogen. Look, how many electron? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The nitrogen gained 3 electrons, so the charge is 3 minus. This is an example of Lewis dot and cross structure of sodium nitride. Now we can move to group 2 metals and try the dot and cross structure of different ionic compound from group 2 metal and group 7 non-metal, group 6 non-metal, and group 5 non-metal. Okay. The dot and cross structure of magnesium chloride. Magnesium from group 2. Magnesium is a metal from group 2, and we know that group 2 metal can give away 2 electrons, Mg2 plus, chlorine gain 1 electron. So what's the formula of magnesium chloride? 1 goes to this side, 2 goes this side, MgCl2. Magnesium chloride. Now we will draw the dot and cross structure of magnesium chloride. We need 1 magnesium and 2 chlorine. Magnesium has 2 electrons in the outer shell, Mg, 2 electrons. This time I'm using 2 dots, represent 2 electrons in the outer shell. Magnesium 12, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Guys, don't worry about how to write the electronic configuration of any metal in the periodic table. I will teach you in my separate video. In my video, when I will deal the shells, orbitals, and subshell, then I will teach you how to write the electronic configuration of any metal or any elements in the periodic table. So for just time being, ignore how to write the electronic configuration. Okay. The purpose of writing electronic configuration here is, guys, I want to show you how many electrons are there in the outer shell, which is outer shell is also called valence shell. Okay, 2 electron. And the chlorine, we know that chlorine gain 1 electron because it has 7 electrons in the outer shell. So we need 2 chlorines. 1, 2, cross, my bad, cross, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Magnesium give away 1 electron to this chlorine and 1 more electron to this chlorine. Now magnesium becomes Mg2 plus cation, and we have 2 chlorine, Cl, gain 1 electron, dot and across, dot and across, dot, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 minus how many chlorine? 1 and 2, 2 chlorine. This is the easy way of drawing a dot and cross structure of any ionic bond from metal and a non-metal. We know that ionic bond is formed between metal and non-metal. I'm keep on repeating my words so that you catch all these my words. So it is a kind of revision. So ionic bond, what is meant by the term ionic bond? It is an electrostatic force of attraction between 2 oppositely charged ions, which is cation and anion. Okay then. Now, can we try the dot and cross structure of magnesium oxide? Next, magnesium oxide. Magnesium is from group 2, which is a metal, and oxygen is from group 6, which is a non-metal. Now, magnesium oxide. Look at that. Magnesium oxide. Mg give away 2 electron, 2 plus, oxygen gain 2 electrons, so plus 2 minus 2 cancel, So how can we draw? Just focus on the outer shell. Magnesium has 2 electrons in the outer shell, 1, 2. Oxygen has 6 electrons in the outer shell, a dot, 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 dot. Oxygen, magnesium lost 2 electrons, and oxygen gained 2 electrons. So Mg become Mg2 plus, and oxygen gain 2 electrons from magnesium. O, 1 electron, 1 electron from magnesium, 1 electron from magnesium, dot, 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 dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oxygen 2 minus. Yeah, now, one more. Can we try magnesium nitride? Okay. Now, magnesium nitride. Look at that. Nitrogen is a known metal which is from group 5, so it gained 3 electron, and magnesium lose 2 electron. So what will be the formula of magnesium nitride? Can you try it? Mg2 plus, Mg2 plus, N3 minus. Crisscross method. 3 goes here, 2 goes here. Mg3N2. So we need 3 magnesium. I'm not drawing the big circle because I need 3 magnesium. Magnesium, 1 circle. Magnesium 2, magnesium 3. We want 3 magnesium, and they have 2 electron, 2 electron, 2 electron. Nitrogen, we need how many nitrogen? 2 nitrogen atom. Nitrogen and a nitrogen, how many electron which are present in the outer shell of nitrogen? 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So each nitrogen gained 3 electrons from magnesium, but magnesium give away only 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So this magnesium, 1 electron, and 2 electron, and 1 more magnesium here. Okay, and this magnesium, 1 electron here, this electron, and that electron. Mg become 2 plus, Mg becomes 2 plus. Nitrogen, how many nitrogen do we have? We have 3 magnesium and 2 nitrogen. Nitrogen has 3 electron in the outer shell. Nitrogen, 1 from magnesium, 2 magnesium, 3 magnesium, 1, 2 left. So each one, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gain 3 electron. How many nitrogen? How many nitrogen? 2 nitrogen. So that's the way you can draw dot and cross structure of magnesium nitride. Can we try aluminum? Let's try aluminum chloride, aluminum oxide, and I will give you one homework for aluminum phosphide. Let's do 2 more. Aluminum chloride, Al, which is a group 3 metal, give away how many electron, guys? 3, yeah. And chlorine gain 1 electron. So we need 3 chlorine and 1 magnesium. So magnesium, and 1 aluminum. So aluminum chloride. Draw the dot and cross structure of aluminum chloride. Do you want to try it? Okay, look. Aluminum, now aluminum chloride. Aluminum has 3 electrons in the outer shell. 1, 2, 3. And we know each chlorine has 7 electrons in the outer shell. You have to take 3 chlorine atoms. 1, 2, 3. How many electrons are there in the outer shell of chlorine atom? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, this electron from aluminum to chlorine, this electron aluminum to chlorine, and this electron also yeah. Now Al, not Al, aluminum. Now look, so aluminum become Al 3 plus, and chlorine, we have 3 chlorine, and that 3 chlorine gain one electron from aluminum. 1 a dot. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3 chlorine, 1 minus. Last one, and I will give you one homework. You will try aluminum oxide, then I will give you one homework. Okay, I want to try aluminum oxide. See, aluminum oxide. Aluminum lost 3 electron, oxygen gain 2 electron. First, when you will get this type of question, first you have to write the correct formula of aluminum oxide. Otherwise, we can't draw the dot and cross structure if we don't know the formula of the aluminum oxide. So Al lost 3 electron, oxygen gained 2 electron. What is the formula? Aluminum Al2O3. Aluminum oxide is also called alumina. Now, 2 aluminum, we need 2 aluminum atom, Al and Al. Now, how many electron? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How many oxygen atom do we need? It 3. 1, 2, 3. How many electrons are there in the outer shell of oxygen atom? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oxygen. Now oxygen gain 2 electron. 1, 2. This oxygen gain 2 electron. 1, 2. This oxygen gain 2 electron. 1, 2. Okay. Now aluminum become Al3 plus. Al3 plus. We have how many aluminum in that? 2 aluminum and oxygen. Look at the oxygen. 1, 2, 3. Gain from how many? It gained 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that. And 2 minus. How many oxygen? Together. So how many oxygen atoms are there? 3. So put 3 here. That's it. So I want to give you one homework. Try the Lewis dot and cross structure of an ionic compound, aluminum nitride, Al3N2. Try aluminum nitride. Okay. So did you enjoy your lesson, guys? I want to stop here. Thanks for watching this video. I will come back with a new video.